Well, hello there. How's everybody doing? Happy Tuesday. Excited to be back. Um, took some time off, took some time away from social media and streaming and all this kind of stuff, but for the summer. But I'm back and excited to be here. Excited to get back into this. So this is Data to Dashboard, featuring Back to Viz Basics this week. And what we're going to be looking at today is we are looking at building a Sankey chart. So obviously, what is a Sankey chart? A Sankey chart is, it shows movement, it shows flow, it shows change, right? And yeah, looks like we're doing some... Looks like we're going to be doing it on Superstore data, so that's great. And this is going to be a super great week. We're going to talk about all about Sankeys. So let's dive into it. What do you say? Let's see here. There we go. So let's connect to some data. And I think we will... yeah. We'll do Superstore. Gotta love it. Gotta love Superstore. So, one of the really nice things is the ability to add extensions. So in 2024.2, we got the long anticipated Viz extensions. So what are Viz extensions? Basically the ability to add different charts, right? So we've got, if we just look for Sankey, we can see that there are multiple. There's a radial Sankey, there's a circular Sankey, there's a recursive Sankey, there's the Sankey that was built by Tableau. So that's probably that's the only sandboxed one so far, which is cool. I thought Law Data Viz had one. Maybe not. Nope, doesn't look like it. Okay, cool. All right. Well, let's build one in each. Let's just do one in each, and let's see how much. So let's build the Tableau one first. So we're going to add levels and links, right? That's what we're going to be doing here, right? So let's see, how about let's filter this country to just the United States. So what if we did something that showed something like, let's do sales from United States to what? Well, it's got, I think region is the next one, right? So let's add that. And we'll use our trusty old sales here for the link. Right? And let's do, I don't know, what now? Category? There we go. And let's see. Maybe from category we'll go to segment, to ship mode, right? So it doesn't look like this, so maybe we'll get rid of this. But as you can see here, like every single, what do we have here? So this is every single combination And you can see here that we have this. Oh, that's nice. So I can click on, oh yeah, there you go. So we can see, and then what could be really cool is if can I switch these around? And yeah, so the order, there's the order in which you put these things. So I could start over here, right? And then, so that leads me to believe, like if we could go up here, right? You could make a pretty dynamic, right? You could make this pretty dynamic. Let's see if we can get to that maybe in a little bit. But what we can see here is that we have every combination of segment, region, ship mode, and category on detail, right? So you can see that every line is the combination of those things, right? Now what would be really cool is if we could just have like the 4 regions, right? Or the I guess if we look at this, right, it only went to, yeah. So if we only had, so if we could group these together, right? Like I don't want to necessarily see the dimensionality, the granularity of detail all the way through starting at this point. What I think I'd like to do is be able to like click on this and just have it show the whole link here, right? All right. Oh, but we have formatting. So we have width, we have padding, ignore the nulls, align edges horizontally. Wonder what that does. Show the labels. Oh, okay. So like the top labels. Oh, so like the dimension labels. Yeah, okay. And then we can use our color palette. That's pretty cool. Looks like the color palette does not read, and that makes sense. So the color palette is just going to be the Tableau default color palettes. It's not going to read the it's not going to read any custom palettes you have in your TPS. It's not going to read any custom color palettes in your TPS. It's only going to look at default Tableau color palettes. That makes sense. That makes sense. So that's cool. Let's do. Okay, you can adjust the width of the columns. Okay, cool. Padding. What is this? Okay, so you can split the. Okay, so the width is how wide each level is, and then the padding is how much in between, and then the edge padding is probably going to be between the column and the Sankey lines. Yeah, that's exactly what it is, just like that. So that's pretty cool. I like that. That's pretty neat. Let's come back to that. So this is, and then we'll do here, and then let's go look at another one. So let's do Sankey. Here's one by Info Topics. Let's open that. Workbook contains network, which is a web app. Yep. Okay. Cool. So that's just a warning, right? All right. Let's see what kind of options we have here. All right. Let's do the same thing, right? So let's do country on United States. Let's do region. Put sales on measure, and then we'll do what kind of customer segment. Okay. Ooh. See. Okay. So this, I'm liking this one, right? So this is what I would. So now let's see what happens when I add my next one. So here are the regions. Here are the customer segments. And what are we doing now? What are we going to do? Those segments bought which category of products? Okay, see? This is what I like. And let's see, what else? Yeah, and then, so these regions from this customer segment to these categories, and they did they ship mode it. There we go. Okay. Cool. So there's, and now you can, it's highly interactive. Look how fast that is. And like, that's one thing that this one doesn't. You see how it has a line for every combination, right? Where this one is, you're just seeing the flow of, you can get back to all that, right? Like, what was one that we had? Ship mode region segment, yeah. Category ship mode region segment. Category ship mode region segment. Yep. Okay. Let's see what kind of formatting options we have here. Oh, what happens if I add something to detail? Let's do subcategory to detail. What does that do? Nothing. Okay. Cool. Tooltip. All right. We have the ability to custom tooltips. That's cool. So what happens if I do that? Nothing. Okay. Interesting. All right. Let's do format extension. Let's see what we get. Let's see what options of formatting we have here. Ooh, we have a lot more here. So, nodes. Well, yeah, we can make them. All right, vertical nodes. So we have spacing here. Horizontal. Oh, okay. Link opacity. So we can do that. Node opacity. Layout. Oh, so we can add borders. That's cool. Oh, you can put it outside or inside. Hide nulls. Sort. Ooh. That's cool. There we go. And then you can still have your header there. Scale. Not sure what that does, but it's okay. Highlight mode. Highlight on hover and click. Highlight on click. Okay, cool. Highlight label. Vertical label placement. For top, center, bottom. Yep, okay. Got it. Yep, and that changes that. That's cool. All right, so there's the formatting. How about the colors? Wow. Ooh. Node label. So you got some pretty interesting. You get some pretty cool options here. Labels. Oh, you can alias them? That's cool. Tooltips. Okay, so this is where you customize the tooltip. That's fun. And then you can have a legend. Show the legend. Oh, there you go. Interesting. Oh, interesting. Look at that. So when you do label, it actually, it is interactive. Oh no, maybe not. Nope, it doesn't. That's all right. But it's inside of the viz, so that's interesting. That's pretty cool. All right. But it doesn't look like there's a way to. Yeah, color divine dimension, all values that we need. Whoa, that's. Interesting. Oh, that's cool. Okay. that's just the change log. Cool. Okay. Nice. Those are fun. Oh, legend. Get rid of the legend. There we go. That's pretty cool. All right, what else we got? Circular Sankey. A recursive Sankey. I don't know about that. A radial Sankey? Yep. Let's have some fun with this. Alright, so drag and drop. So again, country, United States, country on source, dimension on source, and let's do segment on target. Woo! There we go. That's cool. Can I do multiple on source, or is it just one-to-one? Yeah, it just moves it. What if I do segment, that's a category on detail, and move that to source? All right, so it just takes it over. Interesting. Okay. And then we'll do sales on size, sales on color. Can we do segment on color, segment, and then category on detail, and then on color? Nope, only one dimension on color. So there you go. So that's interesting. Nice. Cool. Okay. Awesome. That's really fun. Alright. Let's go back to this and let's see if we can't use some parameters here, right? So let's do level 1. It's going to be a list. 1, 2, 3, 4. Region. Segment. Category. Ship mode. Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Edit. Level 2. Whoop. Level 3. And level 4. Okay. Now let's do L1 is what? L1 is case. Level 1, when 1, then region. When 2, then segment. When 3, then category. When 4, then ship mode. duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. L1 is L2. L3. Oh, gotta change that. Change this to 2. This to 4. Like that, and now we can do L1 here, L2 here, L3 here, L4 here, right? And then we can do, what could be cool is we'll format the extension and we'll not show the headers, right? And then shoot, why not just why not do measure, right? Why not create a new measure? Create this and do measure. Call this 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me. We'll do sales. Profit. Let's do. Would profit ratio make sense here? I don't think it would. So let's do orders. Right? And then, yeah. Quantity. Okay. So there's that. We'll call it measure. Yep, we'll do that. And now we'll do create a field off of this. And this is going to be dynamic measure in case when 1, then some sales, when 2, then some profit, when 3, then count D of order ID, when 4, then some quantity, that, and we'll do that. And now, so I've got that there, so this will work. Can I do, there's everything, so I can, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, there we go. So I can change this to segment, and that goes there. Category, region, or ship mode, and region. Oh, I bet I didn't change level 4. Nope. There we go. All right. So there's parameterized. So that's pretty cool. And then I know that we can change this. So there's that. Yeah. Okay. Can I do that over here? Yep. Looks like it. Looks like I lose my formatting. That's okay. And dynamic measure. And then I can show them here. there's that, but then this is, okay, so, yep. So 60% of consumer went to 51% of office supplies. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. Okay. And then we can go in here and we can format this and color, and we want to color by that's cool. Yep. Yep, 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 yep. I like this. But I think what we've got to do in order to put this on Tableau Public, I don't think we can use. Maybe we can. Let's see. Okay, so oh yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Let's format the extensions. Let's go to labels and let's turn off the column labels. Here we go. Let's see, labels. There we go. There we go. Let's see. I don't want this one anymore. Format extension. Let's find a new color. Ooh, no. I've always been a fan of Muriel Stone. I don't know why. But there's not enough to Tableau 20, because that way there's no duplication of colors. All right. So, let's see here. How are we doing on time? Good, about half an hour. That's all right. Okay, so now let's see. We're going to put together a dashboard. I'm going to do 13. I'm going to do 1400 by 900. There's that. I'm going to put can I do a horizontal container? Let's get rid of this. And then we'll do level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. And we'll do, let's put some blanks in here. this, and then there we go. And then we can do like put a dashboard title in here, and then can we duplicate this? Yep. And hopefully there's I can just swap it. Interesting. Okay. Looks like there's a little bit more padding around the info topics one, but that's really cool. But then you can just kind of use that. You can kind of region, segment, category, ship mode. There we go. I don't know. What do you think? You like it? I like this. That's pretty cool. I like being able to use both, or like being able to. I like it. I would like a little bit more padding on the top. Oh yeah, we want that all the way there. Okay. Nice. And then we can change this. Right? So that's another, well, okay, so they've got a little banner footer here that kind of covers up this. Now I wonder if we go in here and we go to tooltip. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, but that's the Tableau tooltip. That's not this. So let's go here and then let's go to tooltip and measure name, percent of source name. So looks like it does not accept the oh, okay, it does. All right, that's cool. So let's do this. Yeah, there we go. All right, can I do, instead of measure name, I want the parameter name. Nope. I can't get that. So how would we? I bet it's not in the paid one, or it's not in the free one. I bet you do have access to it. Yeah. All right. Cool. What do we have over here, though? Yeah, okay. So we do have it here. Still gonna. Okay. So yeah, it looks like this line is the, yeah, it's the combination of all of the previous steps, whereas here it's just between the two nodes, right? It's just between the two columns. So this bar right here, this little swoop here, does not have any relation to anything that came before it, right? It's just saying 17% of technology, regardless of where it came from, right? So I mean, there's pluses and minuses, right? Again, potentially, in the paid version of this Sankey diagram, there's potentially more. So, but this one is, and then maybe can I? Oh, I don't have the. Yeah, I was gonna say maybe you could format the extension to not have borders on your nodes. No, but I don't. It doesn't have that. That's all right. Oh, there we go. So that kind of brings it all back together here. Yeah. Oh, that's interesting. Look at that where it kind of overlaps. Like Tableau doesn't know how to quite render those things, right? So it's interesting. Whereas here it's kind of a cleaner thing. So awesome. That's really cool. Yeah. Let's give this a name. Call it B2VB. Create your own. Create a dynamic Sankey diagram. Yeah, we'll go here. This is the say like Sankey created by Tableau. No, not here. Sankey created by Info Topics. And then we'll say use the selections to create your own Sankey to visualize to analyze sales to analyze the flow of sales. Copy this. And then we can float. Oop. this guy. Whoop. Get rid of that. Click apply. There we go. Cool. There you go. Extract. Server. Tableau public. Let's see if this works. Gmail. B2VB Sankey's. And there we have it. Aha. See? There we go. So let's do this. Let's do hide. Let's republish with this one. We'll call this built by Tableau. Built by info topics. Open in Tableau desktop. There we go. Have it on that one, republish it. Yep. And now we'll go to settings, show sheets. And there it is. So then we'll do profit. You can see it changes. And then you can change that there. And if you want to go here, you got to download it and open it in Tableau Desktop. So there you go. Pretty cool. Pretty nice. Pretty easy. So much easier than the old way of doing templates and, you know, all that kind of stuff. So pretty cool. And anybody can use that Sankey diagram out of the box. So yeah, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. It's good to be back. We'll do this next week, next Tuesday. Tune in. We'll do a Makeover Monday next time. And yeah, go forth and viz.